Team, I'm gonna put my new Ninja Woodfire Grill up against one of my other pellet grills. Y'all not gonna wanna miss this one. Stick around. Guys, we're finally doing it. We're gonna put our Ninja Woodfire Grill up against one of my other pellet grills, and we're just gonna see the differences, okay? Now, over these last few months of me making videos on the Ninja Woodfire Grill, I've had plenty of questions on how is it compared to other pellet grills, okay? So what I'm gonna do today is show you that. I'm gonna show you 4 main parts of what we're doing here, the comparison, how many pellets we're gonna use on this cook. Obviously, it's gonna be a minimal to a lot. How long the cooks actually take, the smoke flavor that you're gonna get from them, and the look of the pork when we're done, okay? We'll go through other little points as we go through this cook, but that's the main stuff right there. Come on back. All right, team, we have both of our pits set up over here. Black Label 800, it's coming up to temp. I've let all the white heavy duty smoke burn off. I'm gonna do the same with our Woodfire Grill. Now, we're gonna talk about the pellets. This is all we're using for the wood fire. Now this is enough pellets that's gonna keep it running with smoke for about 45 minutes to an hour. With the Black Label over here, it's hard to quantify how many pellets we're using, but suffice it to say it's way more than that much, okay? We have our 2 pork loins seasoned up, trimmed up real nice. They're about the same size, okay? So we'll be able to compare how long they take to cook. Let's go ahead and get these pellets in. Inevitably drop some. Gonna turn the smoker mode on. We're gonna cook these at 275. So my Black Label pellet grill is already at 275. Timing doesn't matter because we're gonna cook the temperature on this one. I hit start. And we're gonna let it go through the ignition process, meaning we're gonna burn off all the white smoke that comes out of there. Same thing we did on our Black Label pellet grill. Okay. Now, noise-wise, it's about the same. You got the fans blowing in each. Okay, so the difference on the cookers, and guys, bear with me. I'm not the most scientific when it comes to like these comparisons and all that. I'm just a dude out back, so I'm trying to show you 2 options here. Okay, so throw some comments down there if you have more questions that I can answer that maybe I'm not thinking of as I'm doing these, but I just had a few notes. Wanted to get this video out so you guys can see. Obviously, this wood fire is going to be a pretty hot item, you know, as we get into the holidays and all that. So I wanted you to be able to kind of compare. Obviously, my pellet grill is a lot bigger, can obviously handle a lot more, proteins in there. But I feel like we're going to get a more efficient cook in the wood fire. All right, and I would almost bet my bottom dollar that the flavors are going to be about the same. Okay, you're gonna get plenty of that good smoke flavor. You're gonna get a great color on the pork roast. So one of the differences that you're gonna get here is we're using different ways to cook. With the pellet grill, you're using pellets and a fan, basically, and one little heating element to cook your meat. You're getting that wood flavor, you know, that smoke flavor in there, but it's just using pellets to heat through. Okay, so we're firing up the pellets. There's a constant feed through the auger, and it's constantly stoking that fire in there, okay? Now in the wood fire grill, we're using electricity and a fan, okay? So that pellets that we put in that wood fire grill are for flavor, basically. So there's an electric heating element, that little half cup of pellets sitting next to you, and it starts burning and smoldering those pellets, okay? It's being pulled in with that fan. It's pulling in that pellet smoke, but it's not taking the heat or anything like that from it, okay? It's electric heat. There's a heating element in the top with the fan. It's convecting all that heat with that smoke, okay? So you're getting that, wood fire flavor and smoke, but it's in a more condensed version, okay? But we're letting all this white smoke burn off through the ignition process, and then we'll get these roasts on. All right, we're through the ignition process on that wood fire. Still got some smoke rolling. We got smoke rolling on the Black Label pellet grill. But let's get these roasts on, and I don't care which one does better. I'm excited about having these roasts for dinner. We're eating well tonight, baby. Okay, team. Let's get this bad boy on. Looking good. We have our temperature at 275. We'll take a look at it in a little bit. All right, we got our black label fired up over here too. Putting the fat cap towards the fire, the heat. Okay, we're just gonna let it go. We'll check on it with our new ThermoPro Lightning instant read thermometer in about 30 minutes or so, see where we're at. All right, y'all, our roasts are on. Now, basically, this is kind of just to show you, the two biggest things you're probably concerned about, smoke taste and efficiency of the cookers, right? So that's what we're gonna see right now. I'm pretty much betting the roast on the Woodfire Grill will be done before the one on the Black Label Grill. But again, we're gonna keep track of it with our instant read thermometer here, our new ThermoPro Lightning. We're gonna take these roasts to about 140 internal in the thickest part, okay? Then we're gonna pull them off, let them rest, come up to temp. We'll slice into them so you can kind of, see how they look. They'll be juicy as can be. That's it, y'all. We're gonna let these cook for a little bit. We'll come back and check on them. All right, team, it's been about a half hour at 275. That pork loin's looking nice. Look at that color. Let's do a temp check. Set 97. About where we're looking at, halfway through, 97, not bad. We're rocking at 275 in the pellet grill here too. Let's get a nice read on the inside. 77. So obviously the wood fire's cooking a little bit faster, but we'll keep an eye on it. Still got a little, some color going on here. Not as much as you'd like, but that's all right. We're not in a hurry. And the wood fire got some great color on it already. Top's kind of dry right there, so I might give it a spritz. But we're doing all right. All right, so that wood fire should be done pretty quickly. Probably another 20 minutes or so. This pellet grill one's gonna take a little bit longer. All right, come on back. Okay, team, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's take a look. So I wanted to pull this about 140, 145. I let it go a little bit too long, but we're at 149. Looking good. We're gonna pull this one off. All right, let's take a look at the roast on the pellet grill. All right, so 121, 122. A little bit more time and we'll pull this one off and let it rest too. All right, y'all, so from what we got so far, wood fire's a little bit more efficient. We're done a lot sooner, about 45 minutes. The pellet grill's probably gonna take more like an hour and 15 minutes. Once the roast on the pellet grill's done, we'll go ahead and pull it off and let it rest. We'll slice into these bad boys, give them a taste. Maybe indoors for that one. The sunlight's getting a little bit closer over here, so I'm losing my good shade for the video. So we might be indoors, but c'est la vie. Okay, come on back. Team. Let's go ahead and check the temps on this bad boy. Should be pretty dang close. Okay, we've got another 10, 15 minutes. We should be good to go. Okay, we're gonna check it out one more time. Give it another 10 minutes, right at 140. It's time to pull it off, let it rest, and we'll slice into it. And this is what happens. I stepped away to go set up the camera on the inside and come back and pull this off. And we got a little crispy. Got a little fire with that fat. So, guess one good thing about that Woodfire Grill, you're not catching fire in there. Alright, it's salvageable, we're good. It just burned up the fat on the bottom. Let's go let it rest and slice into it. Alright, team, so this is what we're looking at. This is the roast from the pellet grill, the Black Label, and this is the roast from the Woodfire Grill. We're gonna go ahead and slice into them and then give them a try. And don't mind that little burn spot on the back there. Team, we're back in the house. A little bit of a flare up outside, so again, with the Woodfire Grill, not gonna have to worry about it catching fire like that. I literally stepped in the house after I said we'll be back to let it rest and all that. Stepped in the house, set up the lights, camera, and the action was outside. So I don't think it's gonna affect the taste all that much because I caught it pretty much in time. When I do the taste test of it, I'm gonna cut it more to the far end of the roast, so it's not the part that got burned, the fat that got burned underneath. Let's go ahead and slice into these. We'll take a look at them, and then we'll take a bite and discuss it. All right, let's slice into the Woodfire Grill roast. It's got a lot more color, but again, you're dealing with a condensed workspace or a condensed cooker, and this one has been resting the longest. because it was done a lot sooner than the other one. So we're just gonna cut off the end. We'll cut some nice slices out of it. Okay, nice and juicy looking. It's coming across on camera, but it's juicy. I'm gonna finish chopping this up and then we'll chop up the other one. All right, time to slice into the pellet grill roast. All right, we're gonna take a little piece right here for the taste test. Slice it up. We'll do the same with the one from the Woodfire Grill. Okay, this is from our Woodfire Grill. This pot right here. And this pot right here is from the Pellet Grill. Let's give it a taste. All right, guys, we're already chopped up. We got the little bits here. Now we got a special guest in the background. We got Mrs. CJ is gonna help me taste test on this. I'm gonna tell her which one's which. So just keep an ear out, okay?
I don't like this game.
What?
What if I pick wrong?
How can you pick wrong?
I don't know.
They're both tasty.
Where's my side?
Your side. That's what you're here for. You make the sides, but I cook the dinner by barbecuing outside.
Okay, all right.
All right, so pick one of the two. Okay, your first bite. You got that down? That's good. Okay.
Yeah, where's my drink?
This is a cocktail hour. Come on. This one.
It's rude.
I know, I'm rude.
Disqualified.
No. Okay. So which one? Point to the one you like better.
I like that one.
Okay. She said the Woodfire Grill one.
I did? Mm-hmm. Really?
He said the Woodfire Grill.
It's more moist. It like has more juice in it.
Okay.
The other one seems a little drier.
What about smoke flavor?
I mean, I think they both have smoke flavor.
Okay, is like one more than the other?
It might be the one I like better too.
So you think the Woodfire has more flavor?
Mm-hmm.
All right, she did not know what she was picking. Now she's going back to eat the rest of it. All right, let me try a bite. I want to start with the Pellet Grill one first. Okay. Pellet Grill is good. Love that seasoning. The Pellet Grill is good.
It is. It's good.
I taste the smoke. I taste that good seasoning.
They're both good. I just think that one's better. All
right. I'm going to try the Woodfire. Yeah, a lot more. I get more smoke flavor out of the Woodfire Grill. The seasoning's pretty good on it, huh?
Yeah, a good seasoning. And it's like juicier.
It is juicier too. The Woodfire even feels a little more juicier, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you. I'll fix you a plate in a second.
Sorry, I just keep stuffing food in my mouth. I'm sorry, what were you talking to me again?
I'm talking to you. All right, come back for my final. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this up relatively quickly. We gone through everything here. Like I said, not a scientific review here. I'm just showing you that the Woodfire Grill is a bit more efficient. Is it a good smoke flavor? Less time to cook these. These were 3.5 pound roasts. So these are pretty even, right? Took a lot longer in the Pellet Grill, but again, it's a more open space. You can cook a lot more in your Pellet Grill, but these roasts are gonna feed a lot of people. So one of these, take care of your household. So again, the pellet that you're using is like a half a cup's worth of pellets. So you're saving a little bit of money on those pellets that you're gonna use. Not that they're overly expensive or whatever. You're saving time by using a more efficient cooker. And yeah, that's about it. The flavor is there, juiciness is there. It's tender, it's lovely. Okay, we had a unknowing, unbiased opinion in the background. Okay, so. And the other thing is too, so if you guys think there's any kind of bias on my part, I'm sponsored by Ninja and I'm sponsored by Louisiana Grills, so the Black Label Pellet Grill. Okay, so I'm an affiliate for both. I work with both, so it does not behoove me to like say the Ninja's better or the Pellet Grill's better. To me, they both have their purpose. They both serve a purpose, right? There's a need for both out there. And like I said before with the Woodfire, it's perfect for people that do not have like a backyard to use to smoke, to have a pellet grill, to have a smoker, any of that stuff. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can ask all the questions you want down below. I will try to answer them. If you guys want to get one of these Woodfire grills, there's a link down below for it too. And the LG pellet grill, if you want one of those, links down below for that too. So basically what I'm saying here, if there's anything in my videos, links are all down below. If you guys want to become a show producer, people that, can smoke on a pellet grill or on that Woodfire grill, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button. But other than that, guys, we are done. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.